Hi, my name is Naya. I'm in Excel at Math, where today we're going to practice some addition using base 10 blocks. Now, if you don't know what base 10 blocks are, I'll show you. So base 10 blocks look like this, and they represent place values of numbers. So these yellow ones represent the ones place. Let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait. So when we get to 10, we're no longer in the ones place. We've moved over to the tens place. Let me show you why. So 1 through 9 are all singular digits. When we get to number 10, we have two digits making one number. All right, now going back to the base 10 blocks, we see that this green block looks the same as the 10 yellow ones we counted out. And that's because it is. Once we have 10 of the yellow blocks, we can swap them out for one of the green 10 values. All right, now let's count some of them. Remember that one of these is worth 10 of the yellow ones, so that means we have to count by tens. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So when we get to 100, we are no longer in the tens place, we're in the hundreds place. Now let me show you why. So numbers 10 going all the way up to the last digit in the 90s, 99. These are all two-digit numbers. But when we get to 100, we have three digits making one number. So now going back to the base 10 blocks, we see that 10 of the green value blocks looks the same as one of the blue blocks. This is because once we have 10 of the green 10 value blocks, we can swap it out for one of the blue 100 value blocks. Now let's count some of these. So remember that these are worth 10 of the green blocks or 100 of the yellow blocks. So we have to count by hundreds of 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. Well, that's a big number. So when we get to 1,000, we are no longer in the hundreds place. And let me show you. So from numbers 100 all the way up into the last digit in the 900s, 999, these are all three value digits. Now once we get to 1,000, this is a four-digit number. Now, going back to the base 10 blocks, we see that 10 of the blue 100 value blocks look the same as this big red block. That's because when we get to 10 of the blue 100 value blocks, we can swap it out for the red 1000 value block. Now that we understand our base 10 blocks, we can practice some addition using them, remembering our place values. We have ones, tens, 100s, and 1000s. Okay, so our first addition problem is going to be 25 plus 12. Let's start by counting out these numbers individually using our base 10 blocks. So with 25, we're going to start at the largest place value, which is our tens value. And the number is 2, so we need two tens. We have two of these. And then go to our ones value, we have 5. So 5 of the yellows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 25. Now moving on, let's do 12. So in our tens value, we just have 1. And then in our ones place, we have 2. 1, 2. Now, to get our final answer, let's count all of these and put them together and see what we get. So we have 3 of our green 10 value blocks. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. So 25 plus 12 is 37. Okay, so our next problem is going to be 14 plus 23. starting with representing the number 14. Looking in the tens place, we see that we only have the number 1, so we only need one base 10 block. And then going to the ones place, we have the number 4, so we need 4 of the yellows. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then next we have the number 23. Looking at the tens place, we only need 2 of the 10 value blocks. 1, 2. And then looking at the ones place, we have the number 3, so we need 3 of the yellow 1 value blocks. 1, 2, 3. And now we just have to add all the blocks together to see what the value is. So we have a total of 1, 2, 3 of the 10 value blocks, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of the ones value blocks. So our answer is 37. All right, so for our next addition problem, we have 20 plus 30. Now, for the first number representing this, we will start by looking at our tens value, and we'll see that we have the number 2. So we need 2 10 value blocks, 1, 2. And then moving over to our ones place, we have the number 0. So that means we don't need any of our 1 value yellow blocks. Now let's look at the next number. We have the number 34. So looking at our tens place, we'll need 3 of our 10 value blocks. So 1, 2, 3. And then moving over to the ones place, we have the number 4. So we need 4 of our yellow blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. For our final answer, we just have to add all the blocks together. So starting with our tens values, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then moving over to our ones, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 54. Alrighty, so now our equation is going to be 42 plus 21. Now looking at the first value, 42, starting in our tens place, we have the number 4, so let's count up 4 of our base 10 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then moving over to our ones place, we have the number 2, so let's count out 2 of the ones values. 1, 2. And then moving on to our next number, we have 21. Looking in our tens place, we have the number 2, so let's count out 2 of our 10 value blocks. And then looking at our ones place, we have the number 1, so we only need 1 yellow block. And now for our total, let's add them together, starting with our 10 value block of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens. And then for our ones, we have 1, 2, 3. So our answer is 63. Alrighty, and for another addition problem, we have 33 plus 26. So let's start with our first value, 33, and let's look at our tens place. We have the number 3, so we need 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. And then moving over to our ones, we have the number 3, so we need 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. Now for our next value, we have the number 26. Now looking in the tens place, we have the number 2, so we need 10. 2 of our 10 value blocks. 1, 2. And then moving over to our ones place, we have the number 6. So we need to count out 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now for our total, let's add them all together, starting with our tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then our ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our answer is 59. Bye guys, see you next time.